Hello everyone, I am Rikesh Kumar, technical engineer, and today I am going to introduce 70 volt 10 by 20 ampere VCDS. So let's start. So let's just turn on the machine. So from here we get different of information by using these things of like that. Like if you want to take your address means when we will communicate with the software one, we have to select some address for our module. For that module the address number is 1, and when this LED will show the real-time condition of your machine, like when we will communicate with the software, it will be show online, and it will be charging, it will show charging, whether it will be if it will be discharging, then there will be a discharging LED. So a non-tech person can also check out that the machine is working in charging or discharging condition just by checking out this LED. After that there is a P plus P minus and C plus C minus, as you can see port. This port is basically used for the charging and discharging wire connection, and NTPC is the normally negative temperature coefficient resistance measurement purpose. And there is one more thing is that the line connection is in your back side for communication of your software. This machine can be tested up to 70 volt, as I already mentioned, and the 10 by 20 means the charging current will be maximum 10 ampere and the discharging current will be 20 ampere. And what is the minimum limit of every machine has some minimum limit of your voltage level. This machine has a 7 volt minimum voltage level, means after discharging you can discharge up to 7 volt minimum, and the minimum current level will be 50 milliampere. So the total it will be charged up to 10 ampere and discharge up to 20 ampere. Now we are going to introduce the software interface, and by using the software interface we will tell you how to check each and everything. Before going to that, we'll try to see saw one more thing, that yes, you can see this is the charging and charging and discharging port. It is connected through the battery port, that you can check it out. You can use common port charging and discharging, as well different port of charging and discharging battery pack. So this is all about the hardware connection, and for the software interface we are going to move forward. When we will start the software, we will get this interface, as you can see there. The machine is online. It means that the communication is proper right now. For the proper communication you have to select some IP address which will be provided by the Semco Infotech. Now at that time initially we don't get any voltage of your battery pack, even it is connected, but to get the voltage you have to detect voltage option. So after detection of voltage, you can check out your voltage of your battery pack. As you can see that at real time it is 50.596 volt right now. So there is two options at initially. First is your group option, and second is your single options. For single option means the full cabinet, and the group option is basically used for when you use number of multiple module in a single software. You can check, we can select the group option, and we can run up to a loss of machine by selecting the different group. For there you will get this type of interface for selecting of each module. At that time we have connected one module, and the module address is 3 right now. At real time interface is 3 right now. So you are getting third as a blue. You have to select that one and then click on OK. Then your module will show that yeah, it is online right now. So the next interface is your adjust. Adjust means basically for use for your programming interface. Right now we have to modify some program. For that we have to click on modify option, and then there is a different charging, rest and cycle option. So you can use these options in your programming interface. Right now we are going to discharge it with 20 ampere because the machine is maximum rated up to 20 ampere, and the charging is maximum rated is up to 10 ampere for this machine. So we will select that 10 ampere. The voltage limit can be selected up to 100 ampere, but it depends on mainly on your battery pack. So our battery pack don't allow up to 100 volt right now. So we will select accordingly to our battery pack. Now after selecting that one, we have to save that one, this one. Before saving, I would like to tell you few options. There is a battery type. You have to select the battery type. Battery type comes with different port, like same port and the different port. Different port can be a positive plate or negative plate depending upon your BMS interface. So moving forward, this battery has the same charging and discharging port, so we will select that one. Then there is a sampling option, means P plus and P minus when the same port, when your battery pack is the same port, your discharging port will be P plus and P minus. Charging and discharging you will select according to it. Then you have to save, and then you have to download one more time your option. Go and download. After downloading the option, you have loaded your program in a particular machine, and now you have to start it. So going forward, start. This machine is totally based on barcode option, so each battery pack has some barcode. You have to put it manually or automatically by through scanning. So for that time I am using manual right now. So it will take few seconds to start. So as you can see that the discharging it is discharging with 20 ampere, which is its maximum rating. Now we are going to use jump function to check out its charging option. Charging program is up to 10 ampere, so it should charge up to 10 ampere right now. Wait a few seconds. So it is getting charging with 10 ampere. So that is all about that one, about charging and discharging interface. You can check out your program there. This is the group option. Right now we are using group option, and the program name is 51.2 volt 100 AHC. So that is why we are getting that one right now. Now to check out, there is different option, like you can check out your real-time parameters. You check out your data. You can select your alarm option. So first we will check the data option. Here we have to select the program, particular program. So you can get that data option here right now. So we don't need to bother about the Chinese or English interface. Our software is totally based on English. So whatever I will provide, it will be in English. You can change your language. So here you can get each second data. Depending upon your requirement, is second or 5 seconds. Right now we have saved at by default 5 second delay, so the data is getting saved with 5 second delay. Then there is a curve option. You can check out your curve. You can export the curve according to your requirement. Then there is a log option. Log option is basically for diagnosis purpose, like what is the timing of charging, what is the timing of discharging when it is jumped. You can we can check that. I have used the jump function and the jump step was third one. So you can get each and every details data from there one. And this one is the programming interface to get all the programming data, what type of step you have loaded in your particular machine. So this is all about this machine, means the 70 volt 10x20 BCDS. To get any live demo of all assembly line, you can come in our head office Semco at Purpose Gun. Thank you for watching our video.